Eli? Hi. Are you ready to do some gardening? Gaby, are you ready?
Right now.
Let's go. What you guys doing?
It's open.
Oh wow, you opened it up.
Okay. Gaby, go in first. Auntie,
Yeah.
go in when I go in.
Okay. Okay, I'm coming. What? What did you see? What is it? Oh wow. What are those?
Dragon beans.
Dragon beans. Is there anything else that sprouted?
What's this in the dirt? What is this? Dragon bean seed. A dragon bean seed that fell off of the plant. That's what we found.
Awesome.
Auntie, we were all the way down there.
That's right. Way down there.
And
now we're up here. Okay.
What are these?
Ooh, those are one of my favorite things.
What?
Those are Cucamelons.
Cucamelon.
Do you want to try one?
Wait, are they ready?
Yeah. Here. Can you find one that you can pick?
But how do we get them?
You just pick them and eat them.
How do we do that? Because they're out on the other side.
Some of them are on the inside. Do you want Auntie to pick some for you?
Sure.
Are you gonna try it?
Here, let me get the stem off. All right. Yum. It's just like cucumber.
Yeah. But does it have like a lemony flavor also?
Kind of.
Yeah. That's kind of how I think they taste. Mmm.
Do some.
Want another one?
I can't reach them.
Here's one.
I just can't get them.
Okay, Dad's gonna bring a stool. Watch out. I'm gonna put it right there. You
What?
can reach them.
Whoa, that's really a stool.
Yeah, kind of.
I can't reach them.
Thanks for the boost, Dad.
I can't get it.
Pull it. What do you think? You want Auntie to eat it? Or Daddy? Dad, you want to try?
Pick some more.
Thanks for giving the positive review there.
Look how big mine is.
Let me see.
Huge.
Whoa.
This is gonna be lemon. Get some more.
You gonna try it?
I can't get them.
Do you guys like picking these?
They're delicious.
So fun, right? You know what we could do, Eli? I see some red tomatoes. We could get some red tomatoes and some cucamelons, and Auntie could make a salad. What do you think?
With cucamelons and
Tomatoes and maybe some chives?
I licked it.
You licked it?
Yeah. I want you to eat it.
Oh, yay.
Yeah.
Yay.
Wow.
Are you going to eat it or you want me to?
Easy.
I'll eat it.
Look how big one.
Okay. Auntie's going to pick a bit more of these and then maybe you can cut some chives.
Pick more of what?
Tomato and cucamelon.
I'll get the cucamelons. You get the tomatoes.
Okay, got it.
Can I just want to
Teamwork.
get a help?
You can get some tomatoes too, Gaby.
Can we get some more? Hiding behind this leaf. Whoa!
What?
This one's huge.
What?
Can I get some more?
Yes. What? How come you guys like to pick the cucamelons so much?
Because we like them.
You like them?
We like the color of them.
Oh yeah? Do you think they look like little watermelons? Baby watermelons?
I got. Oh, we didn't get it. I get it. Got it.
Thanks for helping Auntie, guys. Special thanks to Dad here.
Nancy, what are these?
Ooh, you know what? Those are green onions.
Oh.
Which actually would be delicious in the salad.
Can we cut them? Are they ready?
Yes. Can you cut them down here, right here? Get around all of them. You're gonna do one at a time?
Okay.
Or you can do more of, no, let's open wider. Open them wider. Oh, there you go.
Do it.
Put it there and then shut. Shut. Oh, yeah. All right, good, we got them. Okay, Auntie will take the scissors, you take the green onions.
Can we
right
put
here?
these into little circles?
Now shut the scissors. Shut them. Good job, okay.
Can I have
Thank
the
you.
scissors for one?
We're done with scissors today.
No, hang on. I have one thing to do.
What is it that you need to do?
I want to get these into little circles.
Oh, we do that with a knife inside. So here, take this one, and we'll do that inside, okay?
I take the green
All right.
onions.
Thanks for your help, guys. Gardening with kids.
What are these?
Those are bikini peppers.
Can we pick a bikini pepper?
Yeah, make sure you pick a red one. The red ones are ready.
But they're super spicy.
They're pretty spicy. I think these ones are spicier. And these ones might even be the spiciest.
I want you to eat some.
Okay, this, you know what? You know the sauce Daddy loves? The chili sauce?
Look.
It's made out of this.
Let's make some.
Yeah, we should.
Because
Okay.
I want to know how to make it.
Okay, let's do it. So Auntie's gonna cut some of these peppers. Be extra careful with these. Imagine if that extra was not the plant, but someone's finger. So I think it's better if I do the cutting,
Okay.
and you can do the holding and carrying, and you can do the cooking when we get it into the kitchen.
Okay, I'll do the cooking.
That will be great. Here's some more.
Oh, this is a lot. Let me.
It's a lot.
Can you please hold these? Look how much chilies we need for
You
chili
can put it
sauce.
in the buckets with the other stuff that we got. Where's our cucamelons and our tomatoes?
Downstairs.
You already took them downstairs?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, that was fast.
Because I was that Mom wanted some.
You did.
Can you harvest this?
Okay, I'll harvest that one. That's a good one. Good idea. Okay.
Now I think that one has lots of spices.
Yeah, it does.
It's ready to be sauced.
Okay. Good job, guys. Gaby, did you get some bikini peppers?
Mhm.
Great. Okay.
I'll need a red one.
Thank you. Here is my cucamelon, cherry tomato, green onion salad, and all I did was add olive oil, salt, and pepper. And it's gonna be fabulous. I was thinking maybe someone would join me, but with kids around, everybody's just preoccupied, understandably. So I'm gonna enjoy some of this myself. An extra plate here just in case. The cherry tomatoes are so sweet. And the cucamelons are tangy and crunchy. There are so many flavors in just this 3-ingredient salad that we literally picked 20 minutes ago.
Triple bagged, double bagged.
You gonna have your appetizer?
White rice. Yeah. What? Did I just walk in on? Auntie only
that's
eats
it.
vegetables, and here's all that Chinese food you ordered.
Thanks for watching Hollywood and Vines.
Thanks for joining my live channel.
I'm happy to share this very real look into my life with you. So if you like to see other embarrassing things about me, be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next week. Right, Rune?